Just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time.
Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making body scrub soap bars. All the benefits of a body scrub in a solid bar. These bars are super easy to make and fully customizable. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a pre-made soap base. You can find this on Amazon or most of your DIY shops. I've already measured out how much I need. All I'm going to do now is cut it into small pieces, preferably cubes, so that it can melt down easier and more evenly without burning. Once your soap is cut up into small pieces, place it into a heat-safe container. From there, you want to melt your soap base. You can melt your soap base in a microwave, but it can be very tricky and it can easily burn, so be very careful. I'm just going to use a double boiler and I'm going to place my heat-safe container into the pot of water so that it can melt down evenly. Once your soap has come to a light trace, it's safe enough to remove from the heat. Now you want to move pretty fast because this is going to cool down and it's going to be impossible to work with once it does. So first I'm adding glycerin. This is just to further add hydration to the soap, especially if you've had your soap base for a while here. It's just to kind of rehydrate it and wake it up a little bit. Glycerin is going to attract moisture to the skin and keep your skin feeling super soft. Next, I'm adding Kaolin Clay. This is a natural cleansing agent and it's going to further give your soap those cleansing properties. Next, I'm going to add in my fragrance oil. I'm using sweet pea from Brambleberry. I used it in the previous video, which was the dragon fruit whip soap. Next, we're going to add our exfoliants. These will help to scrub away dead skin and give you that shiny, smooth glow to your skin. Sugar is a great exfoliant and it helps to scrub away dead skin. It renews surface skin so that you'll have fresh, new, youthful, glowy skin. You want to work fast when doing this. Once you add your sugar, make sure you blend it in well and then make sure you watch it because if it solidifies, it's going to be almost impossible to get into the mold. At this point, it's pretty safe to go ahead and pour it into the mold. I didn't pour it into the mold right away because I also wanted to add in the cranberry seeds. So just by the time I added in the cranberry seeds, you guys, yeah, it had started to solidify. I didn't want to put it on the heat again because I didn't want to melt the sugar. So I just kind of dealt with it. which I think added to the handcraftiness of it. It is a handmade, homemade product, so I pretty much really like the aesthetic of it, looking a little bit more rough and not so smooth. But like I said, just keep an eye on it. You want to pour this quickly if you want a really smooth looking bar. Once in the mold, I place my soap bars in the refrigerator overnight, but honestly, I believe a good 6-7 hours might be enough and it'll be ready for use. So yeah, when I took it out, this is how they looked, and I really love it. Maybe could have used a little less cranberry seeds, but honestly, I really love the aesthetic, and I want to try this again with, like I said, different types of sugar, maybe even salt next time, and also some other exfoliants, and also some other maybe herbs or seeds or of sorts to kind of get a different aesthetic. So what do you guys think about these body scrub soap bars? I've been using it and I absolutely love the feel on the skin. It subs up well as well, and I definitely want to play around with it a lot more. So now I'm going to do a quick demonstration. But first, let's hear from our sponsor, Skillshare. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. Most of you know Skillshare for classes in photography, film and editing, videos, and much more. But did you know Skillshare has hundreds of career-focused classes too? The new year is the perfect time to reinvent your goals and yourself. As a content creator and crafter of handmade hair and skincare products, I am constantly looking to take my skills to the next level, especially starting this new year. To build upon my creative voice and style, I'm taking several classes to support my career goals. No goal is too small. Whether you're looking for financial stability or looking to be your own boss, Skillshare teachers will take you step by step to launch your merchandise on a new platform like Etsy or Shopify, or teach you to attract the right clients. If you're looking to diversify your income or earn passive income, check out this class by Tiffany Emery. She is a 7-figure Etsy seller and business coach. Tiffany takes you step by step through the ins and outs of Etsy, even shows you how to launch your Etsy shop. So what are you waiting for? The first 1,000 people will get 1 month free to explore Skillshare and learn new skills to enhance your career or even help you with your personal growth. So check out Skillshare today. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you really quickly how I use this bar. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I'll do my best to reply back. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.
Just want your time.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share the video if you liked it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Just want your time.